Good morning, everyone. I'm Jeza Morada, and today I will discuss all about adding and subtracting rational expressions with like denominator. So, let's have first a recall about on how to add or subtract fractions with like denominators. So, when you add or subtract fractions with like denominators, you will add or subtract the numerators. Then, you write the sum or difference over the common denominator. For example, we have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. So, yung gagawin natin dito is we will add the numerators, which is 3 and 2. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then, copy the denominator. Next is 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. So, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then, copy the denominator, which is 9. So, you can use the same methods to add or subtract rational expressions. Let's remember this when adding and subtracting rational expressions. So, to add or subtract rational expressions, use the addition property. So, ito po yun. A over B plus or minus C over B is equal to A plus or minus C over B. So, yun yung tinatawag nating addition property. Wherein, i-add natin or i-minus natin yung numerator, then copy the denominator since magkaparas lang naman yung value ng denominator niya. If the expressions have the same or common denominator, we will add or subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator, and then simplify the result. So, when we say simplify, so ito na yung pinaka-lowest term niya. For example, we have 2a over 3x plus 4a over 3x. So, ikikip lang natin yung denominator niya since magkaparehas lang naman. And then, yung numerators niya is i-add natin. So, magiging 2a plus 4a will be equal to 6a over 3x. Then, we will simplify wherein 6 over 3 or 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, yung answer natin will be equal to 2a over x. Another example is 3 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. So, since x plus 2 is the common denominator, so ikikip lang natin siya. We will copy the x plus 2 and we will add the numerators, which is 3 and 1. So, 3 plus 1 over x plus 2. So, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 over x plus 2. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. Next, 6x over 2x plus 3 plus 9 over 2x plus 3. So, we will combine the numerators and copy the denominator, which is 2x plus 3. So, magiging 6x plus 9 over 2x plus 3. Then, we will factor using the GCF or the greatest common factor. So, yung GCF ng 6x plus 9 is 3. So, yung GCF na 3, i-divide natin siya doon sa numerator para makuha natin yung ilalagay natin doon sa loob ng parentheses. So, 6x divided by 3 is equal to 2x. Then, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, yung factored form niya will be equal to 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3. Then, we will cancel the common factor, which is the 2x plus 3. So, yung natira na lang is 3. So, ito na yung magiging answer natin. Next example naman is for the subtracting rational expression with like denominators. So, meron tayo ditong 3a plus 2 over a minus 7 minus a minus 3 over a minus 7. So, we will add the additive inverse of a minus 3. So, we have 3a plus 2 plus, so, yan yung additive inverse of a minus 3. Negative multiply to the quantity of a minus 3 over a minus 7. Then, by distributive property, ito na yung magiging sagot niya. 3a plus 2, wherein negative times positive is equal to negative, and negative times negative is equal to positive 3 over a minus 7. Then, we will combine like terms. Kaya naging 2a siya kasi doon sa 3a minus a. So, 3a minus a is equal to 2a. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, pwede mo naman na i-rearrange yung nandun sa numerator para hindi ka malito or hindi tayo malito. Then, copy the denominator. Kaya ang sagot natin is 2a plus 5 over a minus 7. So, remember lang po, when subtracting rational expression, to add the additive inverse of the second expression. So, doon lang tayo sa second expression. Another example, we have 9y squared over y minus 2 minus y squared plus 16y over y minus 2. So, ito na yung magiging form niya, 9y squared minus, so ito na yung, we will add the additive inverse of the y squared plus 16y. So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa open and close parentheses. Then, by using the distributive property, magiging ganito na siya. So, 9y squared minus 9y squared. Kasi negative times positive will be negative. And, kaya naman naging negative 16y kasi negative times positive will be equal to negative 16y. Then, copy the denominator which is y minus 2. Then, we will combine like terms. Kaya, naging 8y squared yung sagot kasi 9y squared minus y squared. So, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then, copy lang natin yung y squared minus 16y over the denominator which is y minus squared. Then, factorable ba yung numerator? So, pwede nating kunin dyan yung GCF ng 8y squared and 16y. So, yung GCF niya is 8y. So, i-divide natin yung 8y doon sa numerator para makuha natin yung nakalagay doon sa parentheses. So, 8y squared divided by 8y is equal to y, and 16y divided by 8y is equal to 2. So, yan yung factored form niya, 8y times the quantity of y minus 2 over y minus 2. Then, we will cancel out the common factor which is y minus 2. So, yung natural na lang will be 8y. So, ito yung magiging sagot natin. Next example, x squared plus 3x plus 7 over x squared minus 9 minus 13x minus 14 over x squared minus 9. So, magiging ganito na siya, x squared plus 3x plus 7. Then, we will add the additive inverse of the second expression which is 13x minus 14. Then, i-keep lang natin yung denominator since magkaparehas lang naman. So, ito na, by using the distributive property, naging x squared plus 3x plus 7 minus 13x, then negative times negative 14 will be equal to positive 14. Then, copy ulit the denominator. Then, pwede mo itong i-rearrange since mag-combine like terms tayo kasi may mga terms na magkaparehas. So, ito na yung magiging form niya, x squared plus 3x minus 13x plus 7 plus 14. Then, copy the denominator. So, copy ulit natin yung x squared since wala naman siyang kaparehas na term. Then, 3x minus 13x is equal to negative 10x. Then, 7 plus 14 is equal to positive 21. Then, copy ulit the denominator. Next is, since factorable naman yung numerator and denominator, ito na yung naging factored form niya. Dun sa numerator, which is x squared minus 10x plus 21, yung factored form niya is x minus 3 and x minus 7. So, pwede mo siyang i-recheck through FOIL method. Then, yung denominator natin, since difference of a perfect square siya, so ang factored form niya is x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then, we will cancel the common factor, which is x minus 3. Kaya yung natira na lang is x minus 7 dun sa numerator and x plus 3 sa denominator. Kaya ang sagot natin will be x minus 7 over x plus 3. So, yun lang po ang coverage po ng diniscuss ko, and ito naman po ang aking references po. So, thank you very much for listening.